So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito, pag-uusapan na po natin yung decision po ng PBA patungkol nga po dito kay John Amores kabola. And then of course, pag-uusapan po natin kabola, yung rumor po patungkol nga po dito sa future po ng isang Troy Rosario. So may di pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po kabola follow button. So start po muna natin sa mga comments po ng mga fans. Sabi po ni Malyari Mascareñas, pa-shoutout naman idol. Thank you. Regards to Coach Leo, he will be the new coach of Magnolia. Then SMB will be having an active consultant in the place of Coach Leo. So ito so kasi merong sinabi na ditong ating kaboli ni si Mascareñas na meron nga daw siyang connection San Miguel Beermen. So yan, narinig nyo lang siguro first time daw that Austria could be the new head coach of Magnolia Hatchets. We will see po. Ronald Ignacio, pa-shoutout naman po kabola. Pa-shoutout Sir Ronald Ignacio. Sir Ronald Verbusidad, pa-shoutout sir. Sa Mariari Mascareñas ulit. Regards to Coach Topic, si really Dumura is a player. I think the UAAP will take action. I think he will be suspended. Kabola, yan, mali ka. Sir Mariari Mascareñas lang, hindi po siya na-suspend. They already provided po a decision and it was not a suspension. Kabola. Now, siguro, ito na muna, pag-usapan natin yung sitwasyon po ngayon ni Troy Rosario. So, naglabas nga po ng isang bagong rumor, si Sir Snow Badwa. Kuloglog told me, Converge is opening a first round of negotiation with Troy Rosario. They want to make sure that they won't have off nights on their front line. Assuming Baltasar Araño or one of them, Philip Napolinar po ay may injured. So, again, this is very interesting kabola, and I'm really happy to see Converge try to compete with the conglomerates kabola. And are we supporting them? Of course, we are supporting them in this one kasi we are pro parity and we believe that if Troy Rosario go to an independent team, that will help the parity of the league. Kaya naman po, supportado natin sila hindi sa kagustuhan nila na mapaperma nga po si Troy Rosario kabola. Now, ang tanong dyan, of course, it will be first financial. Is their offer? Walang klarong sinabi. Is their offer at par with the offer of San Miguel Beermen and TNT? Yung mga ganun po. Kung at par, kabola, edi nasa depende na lang yan sa decision po ni Troy Rosario, yung pitch nila, roles niya, minutes niya, kabola, and etc. Ang isa pa dito na wala pa tayo nababalitaan ng klaro is Ginebra. Kung mag-offer po ba ang Ginebra, di ba? Kasi si Troy mismo nagsabi, di ba? Na gusto niya nga po sa Ginebra. Now, may sinabi yung isang fans po kabola ng Converge regarding sitwasyon po ni Troy Rosario na parang may preferred team na nga po kabola, ito pong si Troy. And that TNT is actually trying to talk to San Miguel Beermen regarding the situation kabola, wherein sana pagbigyan sila kabola na bumalik na lang daw po sa kanila ito pong si Troy Rosario. Kumbaga ina-arbor po nila from that offer nga po of the San Miguel Beermen kabola. Now, at the end of the day, again, I hope Troy Rosario will make the decision that is best for him and for his career. We do not want him to regret it, of course, in the future. Now, ito nga pong kabola, ito naman pong kay John Amores, ito na decision nila, it was a 15 days kabola. 15 games suspension po ang pinataw nila, pero sinasabi din naman dito kabola na dapat daw pong itong si John Amores is magpa-rehab po muna and etc. Now, of course, fans are quick kabola, they are very quick to criticize this decision and compared it to the other decisions or past decisions po of the PBA, and that includes the decision with Calvin Abueva kabola. Remember, Calvin Abueva is nanapak kabola, nag-close madaming ginawa si Calvin Abueva until they decided finally na indefinite ban siya kabola. Now, sa explication ng iba, it was an on-court issue regards po kay Calvin Abueva and etc. Pero sa akin kasi at the end of the day, diba? At the end of the day, kabola, there's a big difference also. Yes, it's on-court versus off-court, pero at the end of the day, the gravity of what was attempted, Calvin Abueva was only doing it to hurt the person. Pero yung kay Amores kasi, he did that to kill someone, diba? It was a gunshot. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na yung gunshot is just to hurt someone, no? Gunshot, we know it can kill. So if you throw a gunshot or you shoot using a gun, kabola, the aim is to kill, diba kabola? And because of that, sa akin, that makes it unjustifiable. 50, hindi man lang 1 year ban sana or etc. Or indefinite ban, di ba? It was just 15 game suspension. Which is, of course, nag-irita din sa marami pong fans, kabola. As in, ang dami pong fans ngayon ang natatawa na lang po sa PBA. And now, actually, that is very risky mo for the PBA. So, pag may ganyan ulit na scenario the next time, hindi na Jan Amores, kabola, di ba? What will be their decision now? Will they repeat it na parang ganyan lang? So, kabakabala sa palagay mo, agree ka ba sa decision po kay Jan Amores? Comment na po sa baba.